In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear browsing data in Google Chrome. If your browser has been feeling a little slow, or you simply want to remove stored history, cookies, and cached files for privacy or troubleshooting, clearing your browsing data is a quick and useful thing to know. I'll walk you through the process step by step so it's easy to follow. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage different browser options and preferences. On the left side of the Settings page, look for Privacy and Security, then click on it. This section is where Chrome keeps the controls related to your safety, browsing activity, and stored website data. Once you're in Privacy and Security, find the option called Delete Browsing Data and click on it. A new window will appear, giving you choices for what you want to remove from the browser. This is an important part of the process because Chrome allows you to decide how much data you want to clear. You can also select a time frame before deleting the data. For example, you may choose to clear data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. If you only want to remove recent activity, choose a shorter time frame. If you want a more complete cleanup, select all time. After choosing the time frame that works best for you, click Clear Data. Chrome will then begin removing the selected browsing information. Depending on how much data has built up over time, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Keep in mind that clearing browsing data can sign you out of some websites and may remove certain saved site preferences, so it's helpful to be aware of that before you continue. Still, it's a great way to improve privacy and sometimes fix browsing issues like pages not loading correctly. And that's it. That's how to clear browsing data in Google Chrome. Once you've done it, you can continue using Chrome as usual, with a cleaner browser history and refreshed stored data.